Metro Pacific Investment, the parent company of Meralco, Maynilad, Metro Pacific Tollways, is delisting in the Philippine Stock Exchange. The tender offer is set at 5.20 per share. Stockholders have three options: to sell on the market at current price, participate sa tender offer, or hold the shares. I suggest to participate na lang sa tender offer. Mahirap naman na maipit yung shares natin. No? Also better to contact your broker for more information about the tender offer. In order for the tender offer to be successful, the MPI consortium needs to hold 95% of MPI's outstanding shares. Sino ba itong mga consortium na to? First Pacific, GT Capital, Mid Pacific, and MIG Holdings. President and CEO Mr. Manny Pangilinan said that a privatization does not mean the firm will drop its goal of developing a proper infra company. And sabi din niya, it gives us a chance to do things behind the curtain that we may not be able to do if we were public. So after ng tender offer, MPI will be a private company na ulit. This is sad kasi MPI is a great company, but given the Philippine stock market, it's understandable naman ang reason nila for delisting.